When it comes to any fashion extravaganza, we eagerly wait for the finale because we know that the best is always in store for the last day. That went for Lakme Fashion Week FDCI 2023 too, where several Bollywood stars made a beeline in stunning ensembles to set the runway on fire. Case in point, Shobhita Dhulipala, who was the showstopper for the label Debel. She looked ethereal in a stylish one-shoulder lehenga set, which is the perfect outfit for the modern-day bride who is ready to experiment. The collection named Nazara featured a subdued palette of dusky earthy tones, connecting the audience to the innate biophilic essence. Diana Penty walked the ramp for designer duo Paulomi and Harsh. The collection Ruh consisted of unique and soul-stirring pieces which embodied the romance, elegance, and ethereal frailty of human emotions and relationships. Kriti Kharbanda turned muse for Tattvam in an intricate silver-toned pantsuit with a matching bralette, heels, and accessories. Ananya Pandey, Lisa Hayden, and Bipasha Basu walked for New York-based designer Vibhu Mohapatra. The collection was inspired by the women in the designer's life with a special focus on recognizing the legendary muses of the House of Lakme. Ananya wore a short play suit paired with an oversized floral jacket. Lisa walked like a supermodel that she is in a white beaded top with a plunging neckline paired with a satin skirt. Bipasha was clad in a flowy red dress with long cape-like sleeves. Rajkumar Rao and Shantanu Maheshwari walked for Park Avenue, representing premium casual ensembles to stand apart from the crowd. Kritika Kamra and former cricketer Harbhajan Singh walked for designer Pawan Sachdeva. Ada Sharma walked the ramp bare feet in a mustard yellow Assamese mekhla chador for designer Sanjukta Dutta. The collection Sapoon, which means dreams, had the most eye-catching outfits of the day. Don't miss the alta on Ada's hands and feet. This brings us to the end of the Lakme Fashion Week FDCI 2023. Which collection do you think looked the best? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for all things fashion.